Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. How are you all children? I hope everyone is doing well. Alhamdulillah. I hope everyone have read the lesson which I had done in the previous video and completed your notes as well. If yes, excellent. Alhamdulillah. If no, you better complete your notes as soon as possible or else you will find it difficult later. Coming back to the lesson now. Okay students, do you all love eating fruits? Not all. If I say about mango, do you all love eating mango? Yes, right? Just imagine if you find a big mango tree, what do you do first? With ripe and sweet mangoes, if you see a big mango tree, what do you do first? I know. Very first you go, pick the stone, throw the stone to the tree, right? In order to get sweet mangoes. This is what you do, right? So, when you throw or aim a mango, what happens? Does that stone fall and that tree will pick the stone and throw you back? No. What happens? If you are lucky enough and you have aimed properly, then you get sweet mangoes to eat. See, you are throwing a stone to a tree, but what is tree doing? Tree is giving you a mango in spite of hitting a stone. See, this is the best example you can have of tolerance. See, the nature is tolerating your beating with the stones or you're hitting with the stone, and it's tolerating that and giving you a fruit and back. In the same way, how nature is tolerant towards humans, we also need to be tolerant with each other. As a human being, if someone hurts or something bad happens, we need to be tolerant with each other. So, we have a very nice story of one of our king from Indian history. I want you all to open your Steed's book, not Banyan Tree book, open your Steed's book, page number 20. Page number 20, take out your pencils to underline and follow me as I read out the lesson. Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. Once, Chhatrapati Shivaji, the famous king of Maharashtra, was riding on his horse in the forest for hunting. Underline the word Chhatrapati Shivaji. Next, Maharashtra. Underline Maharashtra. And the last word in that first sentence, hunting. Underline. On his way, a big stone hit his head. Being a king, he became extremely angry, thinking who dared to throw a stone at him. Underline the word extremely. He was looking around to see who did it, but he could not see anybody. Go to the next paragraph. Slowly, an old woman came in front of him and told that it was she who threw the stone. Underline the word threw. When he asked her the reason, she said, "I'm sorry, I wanted those mangoes from that tree. So, I threw a stone to hit them, but unfortunately, it hit your head. Please forgive me." Here you will have to underline the word mangoes. Mangoes. Stone. Underline stone. Unfortunately. Unfortunately. Forgive. Last sentence, forgive. Go to the next paragraph. He thought, if a tree can be so tolerant and merciful to give sweet mangoes even when hit by someone, then being a king, should I not be more merciful and tolerant than the tree? There is a question mark. Thus he questioned himself. In this paragraph, underline the word tolerant. Tolerant. Underline the word merciful. Merciful. Underline the word being. I will repeat this paragraph once again. He thought, If a tree can be so tolerant and merciful to give sweet mangoes even when hit by someone, then being a king, should I not be more merciful and tolerant than the tree? Thinking this way, he donated a handful of gold to the old woman and forgave her. Underline the word donated. Donated, underline. Forgave and forgave her. Underline the word forgive. It is the past tense of forgive. Forgive, forgave. Okay. Moral of the story is tolerance is a sign of wisdom. That was a very nice and interesting story on tolerance and wisdom. In this story, we have a king named Chhatrapati Shivaji. So Chhatrapati Shivaji is a renowned and famous king of state Maharashtra. He was ruling the state Maharashtra. In this state, even today if you go to any places in the state of Maharashtra, you can find different posters and paintings of the king Chhatrapati Shivaji. Even the Bombay airport is named after this famous king Chhatrapati Shivaji. So one day he was riding on his horse and had gone for hunting to the forest. While going there, suddenly a big stone came and hit his head. So now he is a king and a big stone hit his head, so he was very angry. He was very angry and he thought to himself, I am a king, who dared to throw a stone at me? And he saw around in order he could see anyone. He just saw around, but he didn't see anyone. There was no one around. Then slowly a old woman came out and she told that, or she admitted that she is the one who threw the stone. When the king Chhatrapati Shivaji asked for the reason, she told that she was aiming at a tree. There was a big mango tree. She wanted to get a mangoes from the tree. So she was aiming at it, and unfortunately or by mistake, it went and hit the head of King Chhatrapati Shivaji. So hearing at this, king thought, a mango tree, being a tree, when hit by a stone, can be so merciful and so tolerant that it gives a fruit. I, being a king, he is a king, he should be more merciful and more tolerant. Thinking this, he donated or gave a handful of gold coin to the woman and he forgave her. So in this lesson you see that tolerance, if you have a tolerance, that means that person is even having a wisdom. A moral of the story, you can read there, tolerance is a sign of wisdom. So we have some of the important words in this lesson to go through. We'll see those. Maharashtra. See, this is the name of a place. So we have M capital here. M is capital because it is the name of a state or a place. Maharashtra. See the spelling, M-A-H-A-R-A-S-H-T-R-A, Maharashtra. Hunting, H-U-N-T-I-N-G, hunting. Extremely or more, we can see when someone gets very angry, extremely angry, very angry, okay? Extremely, E-X-T-R-E-M-E-L-Y, extremely. Thrive. It is the past tense of throw. Throw, thrive. T-H-R-E-W, thrive. Mangoes. Singular, plural. Singular is mango, plural is mangoes. M-A-N-G-O-E-S, mangoes. Unfortunately. U-N-F-O-R-T-U-N-A-T-E-L-Y, unfortunately. Unfortunately means something which happens which should not be happening. We say unfortunately this happened or that happened, which should not be something. If something bad happens, we say it happened because of unfortunately. It's even the opposite of fortunate. Next we have forgive. Forgive. See, it is the present tense of forgive. Forgave, forgive. See the spelling of forgive, Forgive, forgive. The past tense is forgave. What will be the change in spelling? There will be a instead of I. It will be Forgave, forgave. Next, tolerant. Tolerant. See the spelling, Tolerant, tolerant. Next, merciful. Merciful. Look at the spelling, Merciful, merciful. Donated, Donated, donated. It is the past tense of donate. Donate, donated. So what do you mean by donate? To give or to do charity is donate. Donated is the past tense of donate, Donated. So you need to I think you all have already underlined these words in your Steve's book. So learn the spelling, practice it and be thorough with it. Till then, Jazakumullahu khaira.